Hi, my name is Zailis Mir A. Ramos, but you may call me Zai. I am a fresh graduate with a bachelor's degree in accountancy, and I am eager to start building my career by applying what I have learned in a professional setting. I am a dedicated and detail-oriented individual with experience in providing administrative support, organizing data, and working efficiently both independently and in a team environment. I am passionate about delivering quality work and adapting quickly to new tasks, whether it's managing information, assisting in operations, or supporting day to day functions. I bring a strong sense of responsibility and a mindset focused on continuous growth and improvement. I am excited to explore opportunities where I can contribute, grow, and make a meaningful impact. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Bye!